Yes, let's make a start with IELTS speaking part 1, and I'm going to ask you a number of different questions and you have to answer. Are there many advertisements in your country?
Yes, there are lots of advertisement in our country. Like there are multiple example. Like there are billboards, there are electronic media, or there are people distributing pamphlets for their new venture or whatever they are doing businesses.
Okay, why do you think there are many ads these days?
There are many ads these days because this acknowledges people and about the work different people are doing, and it might help them in future if anything is regarding them.
Okay, what are the various places where we see advertisements?
There are lots, as I told you about earlier, about the advertisement on billboards or other electronic media boards. So they are basically, these billboards are available on, especially on main roads or in a locality.
Okay, your answer should be very well organized and then there should be a conclusion in the end as well, right? Now, let's go on. How do you feel about advertisements? Like, do you like them or dislike them? How do you feel about them?
I like the advertisement because it helps me to know about what
They help me to know.
they help me to know about which type of advertisement is beneficial for me in future. Like for example, if I want to go for to buy clothes, I should know, or I would be knowing about the advertisement about the brands, which, like how much percent they are offering on any clothes, or what are the special offers they are offering.
Okay, would you like to work in any advertisement in the future?
Definitely, I would love to work in an advertisement company in future, because it helps a person to grow in their contact and their familiarity with lots of brands, and they know about and if someone and if I want to start my own brand, so I would know which things are important in this industry.
Okay, so therefore, I would love to be the part of any advertisement. Conclusion like that, okay? All right, thank you. Overall, fine, but try to conclude in the end as well. So let's make a start with you. How often do you read books?
I do not read books a lot of times, but when it comes to academic books, I oftenly read on weekends, and otherwise, I do not have any work with books.
Okay, what is your favorite subject and why?
My favorite subject is programming because it is what I am interested in. I have done my Bachelor of Computer Science, so I have interest. It is what I love to do, and I have many skills in programming as well.
Okay,
So,
would you like to learn any language in the future?
in the future, as I am learning English, so
Yeah, so I would like to improve my English in the future. My English is not so good. I want to brush up my English vocabulary. I want to improve my English grammar.
okay.
Okay, something like that. All right, let's go on. What was your favorite subject when you were at school?
In the school, I loved mathematics because I love to solve the problems. Uh, they were actually challenging for me, and whenever I solved some complex problem, I felt good. So I like mathematics
Yeah,
a
so I
lot.
liked mathematics when I was a school going child. Okay,
Okay.
overall good. Try to be a little more talkative, answer every question in 5 to 6 sentences. It'll be good, right?
Okay.
Thank you. Good job.
Thank you.